Dear Mr. President, as advisors, we'd like to talk to you about different ways to conserve energy and save money while we're at it. Did you know that the almost 500 power plants throughout the US produce over a gigawatt of energy to supplement houses using gasoline power? Does that sound environmentally or economically friendly? What about prices for fuel? Many citizens are complaining about the continuous rise in gas prices, and who's to blame? Our reserves become pricier, considering what would be a $2 barrel of oil costing over $100. And as the value of the American dollar drops, gas prices and electricity bills keep rising. However, we have provided a few alternatives to prevent this oncoming crisis and to stop the enormous carbon footprint the US is producing. Let's begin with fuel. Here's what we have found. Natural gas, hydrogen gas or liquid, hydrogen fusion, and antimatter are candidates. Although these are potential replacements, we still need more research to create technologies that make these sources able to be used as an alternative fuel or even an energy source. The closest alternative we have found is coal. There are over 2 trillion tons of coal known so far. If in the upcoming years we can create proper facilities, then we can mass produce gallons upon gallons of gasoline from coal. Also, within the space of time between using gasoline and coal fuel, if we can make the required facility to have little to no environmental impact, it will attract the attention of foreign countries like India and Russia, resulting in a better world economy. Also, because coal is so abundant, the prices of coal fuel will be significantly lower than standard gas prices. And while this coal usage stage can last us for a little more than several hundred years, we can use this window of time to reinvent our fuel, exploring the potentials of biofuels and even solar power. Next, our energy usage. As of now, the average household uses more than a kilowatt of electricity in its 24-hour time period. These houses are powered by massive power plants running mostly on gas power. Although we have dove into the ideas of clean energy, windmills, and solar panels, we haven't discovered the full potentials of these methods. This is what could reduce our carbon emissions drastically and save the billions of citizens' dollars paying for bills, putting it back in their wallets. If we can invest in clean energy technologies, this will improve the current state of the economy our country is in. Think about it. Currently, solar panels are an available power source. Right now, for an affordable solar cell, it can only collect 15% of the total energy that the sun provides. In fact, a square yard of sunlight provides a kilowatt of power. So, if we're only receiving 15% of the energy, we would only be receiving a meager 150 watts per yard. If we can explore deeper within the ideas of solar technology, we can completely eliminate the use of nuclear power plants and still provide the same amount of power to neighborhoods. In conclusion, this combination of energy conservation ideas can result in a better economic and environmentally friendly country.